Nylon. Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber made by man without using any natural raw material. Because as we studied, rayon is a semi-synthetic fiber and it is made by what we read that rayon is neither a fully synthetic nor a fully natural fiber. It is made from the pulp of wood. It was made in the year 1931. Nylon is made by repeating units of chemical called amide. Amide is made from amine, NH3. It was developed in New York from where it got NY and London from where it got LON. That stands for nylon. So the secret of name stands from the place where it was developed. You can see nylon ropes are so stronger that they are used in the making of parachutes. So here are some properties of nylon. It is smooth, strong, lightweight and lustrous. Lustrous that it has shining. It absorbs little water. It is fairly elastic and easy to wash and dry. Elastic means the tensile strength is high. On stretching it, it will not break or tear easily. But there is one disadvantage, it catches fire easily. Uses of nylon. Due to high tensile strength of the nylon fiber, it is used for making fishing nets, climbing ropes, parachute fabrics, strings for sports racket and musical instruments. Musical instruments like guitar. Bristles for toothbrushes and paintbrushes. This is a fishing net made up of nylon rope and it is very strong. These are the mountain climbing ropes which are made by nylon. Nylon fiber has high tensile strength. Means due to overloads it may not break down. It is actually stronger, similar to a steel wire. It is used in the making of bristles of toothbrushes. The hairs of paintbrushes are made up of nylon fibers and the rackets which are used in sports, that too are made up of nylon wires. So you can see it is so strong and it is having a high tensile strength, so it cannot be broken down easily. A nylon fiber is actually stronger than a steel wire of similar thickness. Means if we take two wires, one we take a nylon fiber of same thickness that of a steel wire, then what we will find that the nylon fiber is more stronger than the steel wire. Nylon is used in the production of textiles. Textiles now we know that is clothing like saris, shirts, neckties and other garments. Nylon is also used in the making of curtains, sleeping bags and tents. So this is an image of a sleeping bag which in the mountains people use while they stuck at night. Polyester is another type of synthetic fiber. Monomers used in the making of polyester are petroleum products and are therefore called petrochemical. This is a petrochemical industry where the petroleum products are made, and these petroleum products are used in the manufacturing of polyester. So therefore this is also one of the reasons why polyester clothes or fabrics catch fire easily, because they are made up of petroleum products. Preparation of polyester. It is made from two monomers, terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol. PET as a plastic is very lightweighted. It is naturally colorless with high transparency. You can see if the contents are in the bottle, you can see them clearly. This is what the transparency is, and this is an transparent object made up of PET, and PET is a plastic and it is very lightweighted and naturally it is colorless, that's why it is transparent. highly transparent. PET stands for polyethylene terephthalate, used in the making of bottles, jars, and utensils. For example, PET bottles are used for fizzy drinks. Fizzy drinks, that are the cold drinks which you get in the market. They are known as fizzy drinks. And these all bottles are made up of PET. You can see, for example, you can take the water bottles which come in the shops for 15 or 20 rupees. The plastic is so hard that if you stand over it, then also it will not break. It shows that PET are tough plastics and they do not decompose easily in the soil. Uses of polyester. Polyester fibers are used for manufacturing saris, dressing material, curtain cloth, and other. It is used for making sails for sailboats. These sails in sailboats are made up of polyester. It's a tough fiber. It is also used for making water hoses for firefighting operations. These water tubes, the pipeline which we see, these are all made up of polyester. It is used for making conveyor belts. Polyester mixes with cotton is called terrycloth. And polyester when mixed with wool is called terrywool and used in for making suits. Acrylic fiber. They are light in weight and absorb less water. Stretchable, fine and smooth, strong and have a long life. These are similar to wool fibers. Acrylic fibers Uses of acrylic. The wool obtained from natural source is quite expensive, means it's very costly, whereas clothes made from acrylic are relatively cheap, that the most of the people can buy them. They are also available in variety of colors. Acrylic fibers are used for making sweaters, shawls, blankets, jackets, cushion, and many other things. Here are some disadvantages of synthetic fibers. The first, they are highly inflammable, means they catch fire easily. They do not decompose naturally, means microorganisms present in the soil, they do not break up the monomers present in these polymers. They release toxic fumes on burning. So here are some in-text questions that you have to do in your fair note in a very good handwriting. And if you have doubt in any of the questions and if any answer is not coming, then you can reply to me and I will provide the answer for you. Thank you.